Hello and welcome back, passionate gardener. Today we are preparing Pentland Javelin seed potatoes for planting by cutting them correctly to ensure strong, healthy growth and a great harvest. If you want bigger yields and faster sprouting, keep watching. And you can use the same method for your other potatoes. Why to cut seed potatoes? Cutting seed potatoes help maximize the number of plants from each tuber, making the most of your seed stock. Each piece should have at least one or two strong eyes which will grow into new potato plants. Now gather your tools. What you will need: a clean cutting board, a sharp clean knife, healthy Pentland Javelin seed potatoes or seed potato you would like to be planted. Always use a clean knife to avoid spreading diseases between potatoes. Cutting the seed potatoes. Find the eyes. These are the little birds or sprouts on the potato skin. Cut into chunks. Each piece should be about the size of a golf ball, with at least one or two eyes per pieces. Don't cut them too small. Each piece needs enough storage energy to sprout. Now it's time to do a clean cut. Make sure you don't hurt any birds, and their size is around a golf ball, as I mentioned. We don't need to cut the ones are very small like this. I am only cutting the big ones. Place the cut pieces in a cool, dry place for 24 to 48 hours so they form a protective skin, preventing rot when planted. For even faster sprouting, place the potatoes in a carton or a paper with the eyes facing up. Leave them in a bright, cool place for a couple of weeks before planting. This potato chitting process is an optional step, but this is really good for your early varieties potato to boost the growth. If you skip the chitting process after you cut the potatoes, after a day or two, your cut seed potatoes will be ready to be planted. These early potatoes thrive in well-drained soil, so choose a sunny spot in your garden and get planting. And that's it. Soon I will do another video for chitting process and planting potatoes. Cutting and preparing your Pentland Javelin potatoes or seed potatoes properly sets you up to a bountiful harvest. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Passionate Gardener and hit the bell icon so you never miss a gardening tips. See you in the next one. Happy gardening, Passionate Gardener.